It can also happen if your network is unstable or a firewall ISP is blocking connections. Fix steps for Helldivers 503 error. 1. Check server status. Go to the official Helldivers 2 server status page, Publishers X Twitter or community, Reddit, Discord. If servers are under maintenance, you'll need to wait. 2. Restart and refresh network. Power cycle your router. Turn off, wait 30 sec, turn on. Restart PC console. Try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. 3. Flush DNS and reset IP, PC. Open command prompt, admin, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC afterward. 4. Disable background apps, VPN. Turn off VPN or proxy if active. Disable background apps consuming bandwidth, torrent, cloud sync, etc. 5. Check firewall antivirus. Allow Helldivers through Windows Firewall. Temporarily disable antivirus and retry. 6. Try a different DNS change, DNS to Google or Cloudflare. Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.84.4, Cloudflare DNS 1.111.1 and 1.0.1. 7. Reinstall verify game files. If error persists, on Steam, right-click Helldivers, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. On PS5, Settings, Storage, Games, select Game, check for update, reinstall if needed. In most cases, 503 equals server-side issue, so waiting until the servers stabilize is often the real fix. Do you want me to